Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix billing problem on App Store on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you try to purchase something on App Store and after that it asks for your billing information, and also there is an error there is a billing problem with the previous purchase. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And you have to simply close this page. And after closing the page, you have to open the settings here. And in settings, you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now if you want to tackle this problem, then there are two methods available. The first method is that you have to simply open the App Store here, and you have to simply click on that name or Apple ID here, and you have to wait for some time so that you can simply find a new kind of interface, and it will ask for your Face ID. And if your Face ID isn't working, then you have to make sure that it is working well. And after that, you will find all the options related to manage payments, purchase history, and all the options are available. Here you can simply check for your purchase history. So after that, you can simply check whether any kind of pending payments are available for that kind of option. So you have to simply click on, for the second option, as second method, you have to click on name or Apple ID, and you have to click on media and purchases. And here you have to check whether you have any pending payments for any of the purchase. You can simply check for the purchase history and also go for the subscription. And you have to check whether any kind of subscription payments is pending or not. You can simply click on purchase history, and you can also click on manage payments. If you have provided any payment method, you can also check whether your payment method is working well or not. And after that, you can simply check for that error, whether this error occurs again or not. So hope this will fix your error. If the problem is still there, then you can simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you can simply send it to the Apple support, and they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.